Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Little Cleo is probably one of the most versatile lures in any angler's tackle box. Known for their ability to attract a wide variety of fish, these spoons have earned a reputation for their effectiveness. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes Little Cleo spoons so special, exploring their design, how to use them, and why they should be a staple in your fishing arsenal. Get ready to learn how to reel in those trophy catches. Number 5. Acme C140 NNB C140 NNB Little Cleo Spoon. This lure is designed for wild action, and it won't cause your line to twist. It's perfect for attracting fish with its erratic movements in the water. The aerodynamic design allows it to cast further and more accurately. This feature helps you reach those prime fishing spots with ease. This lure is precision machined for optimal performance. This ensures it is durable and effective in the water. You can use it in both freshwater and saltwater environments. It's a versatile lure that can be used in various fishing conditions. It's one of the surest ways to catch fish. Try it out and see how it helps you reel in your next big catch. What we like. This spoon's wild action and aerodynamic design make it a top choice. It's perfect for anglers who want a lure that casts far and attracts fish aggressively. If you are looking for a versatile lure that works in both fresh and saltwater, this is the one for you. What people say. This are a tried and true classic for any freshwater fisherman. Always my go-to when fishing mountain lakes or local ponds. Very high quality spoon lure, on of the best. Possible the best color for trout. They love it. Whether you're casting or trolling. They work great for trout and salmon. Number 4. Acme Little Cleo Spoon. This is the Acme Little Cleo Spoon. It's a great tool for catching fish. You can use it in various water conditions. The Little Cleo Spoon is designed to attract fish. Its unique shape and action make it irresistible. Anglers of all levels can benefit from it. Whether you're fishing in a lake or river, this spoon is effective. It works well for many different species. This is a must-have for any tackle box. The Acme Little Cleo Spoon is easy to cast and retrieve. It's a simple yet effective lure. You'll be reeling in fish in no time. Add the Acme Little Cleo Spoon to your collection. It's a reliable choice for any fishing trip. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This kit is built to last, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. The durable construction means it can withstand the rigors of frequent use. If you value longevity and reliability in your fishing gear, you should consider this. What people say. If fish are feeding on shad minnows, they will hit this. I have had better luck from the 1/4 and 1/3 ounce nickel. White bass really love this, also largemouth, smallmouth, crappie, bluegill, catfish, drum, pretty much anything that feeds on shad will hit this. I've been using this lure for years and all I can say that it's a fish-catching spoon. Works better than any other lures for pickerel, pike and smallmouth. Number 3. Acme Little Cleo Classic Lure Kit, Multicolor. This is the Acme Little Cleo Classic Lure Kit. It's designed for outdoor lifestyles. You can rely on it for your fishing adventures. This product is built to last. It's made with durable materials, ensuring it withstands the rigors of outdoor use. The product is manufactured in China. It's crafted with precision and care to meet high-quality standards. The kit is designed for durability and longevity. It's a reliable choice for anglers seeking a product that performs well over time. Perfect for your outdoor adventures. It's designed to enhance your fishing experience, providing you with the tools you need. What we like. The gold finish and seductive wiggling action of this lure are designed to attract attention. It creates a lifelike illusion, mimicking a vulnerable baitfish. If you like a lure that triggers aggressive strikes, then it's a great choice. What people say. I've always liked the action of Little Cleos when fished kind of slow and struggle. Why? They will be great for steelhead and salmon. The fish can't resist and when they hit hard. Number 2. Acme C180G C180G Little Cleo Spoon, Gold. This is the Acme Little Cleo spoon, a great lure for any angler. It's designed to attract fish with its unique wiggling action. The gold finish gives it a realistic look, mimicking a baitfish. This helps to attract the attention of hungry fish. At 1/8 ounce, it's easy to cast and retrieve. Its size makes it ideal for a variety of fishing conditions. The lure's wiggling action is irresistible to fish. It creates the illusion of a confused baitfish, triggering their predatory instincts. This lure is designed to attract fish. It's a great addition to any tackle box, and it's sure to help you catch more fish. What we like. This lure features a hammered nickel finish that adds extra flash. It's designed to mimic a wounded baitfish with its erratic action. If you are looking for a lure that excels in attracting attention, you should consider this. What people say. Little Cleo spoons are great for catching trout. They work great for kokanee. The action on these spoons is fantastic. Number 1. Acme C140 HNB Little Cleo Fishing Lure. This is the Acme C140 HNB Little Cleo Fishing Lure. It's designed to attract fish with its unique action. This lure is a great choice for any angler. This lure weighs in at 1/4 ounce, making it ideal for various fishing conditions. Its weight allows it to be cast easily. It's perfect for targeting a variety of fish species. The hammered nickel and blue finish gives it a realistic look. The color combination is highly effective in attracting fish. The finish also adds to its durability. The lure's wiggling action is irresistible to fish. It mimics the movements of a baitfish, attracting predators. This action helps trigger strikes. It creates the illusion of a fat baitfish acting in an erratic, confused manner. This erratic movement triggers the predatory instincts of fish. It's a proven fish-catching design. What we like. This kit is built to last, ensuring you get the most out of your investment. The durable construction means it can withstand the rigors of frequent use. If you value longevity and reliability in your fishing gear, you should consider this. What people say. Little Cleo spoons are a great lure for trout. They work great for kokanee. The action on these lures is fantastic. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.